How to start making money online from scratch. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Right, on this channel I share content on how to make money online, personal development about crypto. Right now I'm going to show you exactly how to start making money online from scratch. And if you have ever thought about earning extra income or even replacing your 9 to 5, you are in the right place right now. The opportunities today are bigger than ever. So I'm here to help you navigate some of them so that you can be part of those who are celebrating cash out on the online space. So the year is actually the year of innovation. As we move on, a lot of innovations keep coming up on the space, from new platforms to side hustles. You can start with zero experience, right? This is perfect time to get in. It is never too late. With remote work becoming mainstream, companies are looking for people, freelancers, service people that have services to render more than ever, right? So now let's break down top of this online business model so that you can get started with, right? I'm starting with some online business models, right? So now, number one is freelancing. Freelancing, this is where you navigate websites like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer that allows you to sell your skills, ranging from writing, graphic design, social media management. There is something for everyone, right? If you visit, if you decide to visit Fiverr now, Fiverr or visit Fiverr or Upwork, Upwork, you are going to be seeing lots of opportunities on these platforms, right? But mind you, it requires some of these basic skills. If you don't have a skill, it's actually going to be a big challenge on your end. But then don't worry, there are other opportunities, there are other ways you can make money online. Affiliate marketing, right? Affiliate marketing, this is where you earn commissions by promoting other people's products. It's more like a low cost way to get started, right? You don't need to create your own product. For instance, you can get started on this website. You can get started on SkilMony.com. I'll be dropping the link on the comment section. You can get started by signing up, which is very cheap. You get across to their courses. You can generate your affiliate link and start promoting. As people sign up through your affiliate link, you are going to be earning from the referral commissions, right? I'm using this platform and I can tell you I've made so much money on the platform. I'm still making, right? I am inviting you to be part of the platform so that we can leverage the platform together. So why the website is still loading, because this is the first time on this very browser. The other way is to consider e-commerce or dropshipping. This is where you set up an online store where you can sell physical digital product without ever touching them, right? You can learn Facebook ads, how to run Facebook ads, right? All of these that I mentioned are actually on this platform. You can learn how to run Facebook ad here, how to write. You can learn amazing skills and still use another affiliate platforms. Like I mentioned, all you need to do is just sign up, create an account, explore their courses. There are courses on their e-learning platform. Explore and start making money, right? Either from the platform or from the knowledge you are acquiring, because you can render services to others, right? So now let's log in. Let me log in. Can you see on my account? You can see how much I've made already, right? See how much I've made already. I've made about 300 and something thousand, of which I've withdrawn 10,000 from the account, right? And now you can see these are about 225 persons I've referred, of which I get paid a percentage for the number of persons I have referred. But then that is not all. These people have the opportunity to upgrade their account, which if they upgrade their account, I'm going to be making 5,000 naira each from this number. So if I have 10 persons upgrade, I'm going to be making 50,000. If I have 100 persons from this amount, I'm going to be making 500,000. Meaning from these total numbers here, I have the opportunity to make a minimum of 1 million naira from the total numbers of persons here. So that's how unique the platform is. They have the basic plan and the super plan, of which once someone upgrades from the basic plan to the super plan, you get paid about 50% commission, 5,000 naira per person, directly to your wallet, and you can withdraw it, right? And you can see my wallet, I've withdrawn about 10,000 naira already, and this is my available balance. I've not withdrawn it. If I want to withdraw now, I can withdraw it ASAP, right? There's no big deal about that. Now, what is e-commerce and dropshipping all about? It is all about selling physical or digital products online without you having to touch them. So, like I mentioned, on this very platform, you can learn e-commerce. If you go to learning now, you see courses on related uh, feeds. For instance, you can see this Instagram marketer, advanced profitable Facebook ad, improve your customer. You can say I've enrolled on courses like Beginner's Guide to Cryptocurrency, 100K monthly blueprint, where here they covered about e-commerce, dropshipping, and so on. Basic graphic design. So there are a lot of courses. If you click on see all, you see lot of courses on the platform. There is even how to make money on YouTube. You can get started just like I'm making this video right now. I'm making this video on YouTube. You can get started and have a YouTube channel that has lot of subscribers like mine and some other persons, and you'll be able to make money on YouTube as well. Then content creation, whether it's YouTube, blogging or podcasting, creating valuable content can generate revenue through what? Sponsorship, right? So it is not just about you know how to create content, but you can use this content to make money on platforms like YouTube and other platforms, right? Just like the video you're watching, this is a content, and there's that my channel is actually monetized, and I'm going to be paid some advert that will display on my videos. And people come to me for promotional content. So you can do that and you achieve a lot via content creation. There's a course on content creation actually on that platform. That platform has a lot, truth be told, right? Now, these are steps to get started with zero experience. Pay attention. Number one, you need to identify your skills. Everyone has something they are good at. So you think about what comes to you naturally. Then you have to choose a platform. Whether you want to start for freelancers, like I mentioned, I recommend this platform, or you can advance yourself, also navigate other freelancing platform, but I encourage this very platform here, because it has courses you can get started with, and also has community and support assistance where you learn skills, you get support assistance as well. I would recommend this platform for a total beginner, because these other advanced platforms will require some level of professionalism before you can get work. But this one is going to help you, and you can even start making money immediately if you pay attention to the instructions and the courses. Then the next thing is you need to create a profile. You need to be positioned online. Just like you see, this is my YouTube channel, this is my face. You need to be positioned online so that people get to know about you. Then you need to start small, like I mentioned. That you want to make millions does not mean you have to make it overnight. You have to start small, small. Manage, start little by little. Manage any little tasks that's available, any little gigs, any little product you want to promote, and start making your money so that you can apply what I call compounding effect, and you make so much out of it. Then the next thing is to scale up. You've started making something, all you need to do is just scale up so that you gain so much experience out of what you do. You start scaling your effort, you increase your prices, you expand your offerings, and before you know it, you start making good money out of it. You can consider some other skills like or let me say some tools and resources that will help you. For instance, you can consider Canva for graphic design. For instance, the moment you take a look at my screen, you can see that I have I have a graphics here for this very video, right? I'm using Canva. Canva allows you to design, and like I mentioned on that platform, there's a course on Canva design there that you can also learn. And you are not paying for all of these courses. Once you're a member of this platform, you are only you're having access to all of the courses free. You're not paying anything. You're having access to all the courses free. Then you can use Grammarly for writing. I make use of Google Doc most of the time. I make use of Google Doc. So you can make use of Google Doc and explore how you can use. Then you can uh, try to maybe leverage some other tools provided by Google, like Google Drive, uh, Google Doc. Okay, I've mentioned Google Doc already, Google Drive, these other tools so that you can use them to help and make yourself ready to be able to maximize the online space. So if you are ready to start making money online from scratch this year, there is no better time than now. Follow the steps, choose your path, and let's make this year a breakthrough. I hope you find this video valuable. If you do, let me know, drop a comment, like the video, and if you are new to this channel, subscribe to the channel, like, and check the description of this video. I'm going to be dropping valuable links like I mentioned in the video so that you can get started immediately and start making money online, even if you are a complete beginner.